How to add music to Facebook post. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. Launch your Facebook application from your device and get logged into your Facebook account. Tap on three-bar icon. Now tap onto your name. Let's go ahead and add a post first. To do so, you have to tap on this photo icon. It will open up your gallery section. From here, choose any photo that you would like to add. Then tap on next. Under here, tap onto edit. And then you will see the option of music. Tap onto it. It will provide you various range of musics. In order to add this, tap onto this play icon. Once you select what music that you would like to add, you can minimize the screen and then just hide the music. Once you do so, you can give it any caption. Once done, tap onto next. And then refresh your page, scroll below, and once done, this will play your music. You can also see the music icon and who the music is from. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thanks for watching the video till the very end. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. Till then, stay updated and subscribe to our channel.